What's up guys? So today in front of me I have three different wallets, starting from traditional to minimalistic plus techie, and I like all three of these wallets, and I am going to explain them why, and I'm actually going to also recommend you which wallet you can pick depending on what stuff you carry. So let's start with the conventional one and we will come back to these a bit later. So conventional means like the old style wallets that we used to carry. They are still very famous, and this is one of them that I found online that I really liked. It is made of cow leather, very spacious. You can put up multiple cards here, so three will go here, three here, and one ID will go here. This is for coins, so you can put coins here, ID here, ATM cards or other cards like this here. I have some coins here. Let's put them inside it. Then you can close it very safely. Here you can, so I have few dollars here. Let's put them, and you still have plenty of space to go with. So convention wallet always looks good. There are different types of convention wallets out there. I simply don't like these kind of styles with zippers. Let's move on to the next wallet, which is FunCube's Minimal Wallet 3.0. So I think this is the wallet. I will get back to this one. Let's bring it out. For people who carry less cash and documents and only carry certain things, I think wallets like these are the best because they are very minimalistic and they are made to carry only certain things. It is made of leather and plastic, and it is very minimalistic, you can see, and you can even remove this part if you don't like. This wallet can handle up to 5 cards as per their claims. I have put the 3 cards here. They say that you can put 2 more here. There is some space available if you want to use it, and you can also put something here, and you can then close it like this. The coins safely hidden here inside it. Now you have cards here. You can store up to 5 cards, and premium. This is a cash band, so you can take a few dollars, take your cash here like this one. If you prefer to carry keys or some mini tools, that's where this one comes in. So both of these sockets can be opened. So let's see, like this. So you can put keys here. I don't have any keys with me right now, so you can put one key here, one key here. You can put one tool here or one key here. So one key here, two here, total 3 hardware keys. You can store them, coins inside it, cards, cash, your hardware keys. So a full package in this tiny little thing. I also found other minimalistic wallets, but for some reason I did not like them. It does not have the graceful look and elegant look of, for example, this one. And lastly, the MVP of this video, the wallet that I really like the most, and I think for many techie people who prefer minimalistic wallet, this is the best of the bunch. So let's check it out. It has an Apple's Find My Network tag inside it, so you don't need a separate AirTag or Samsung tag with it. You have some documentation on top again because it is the MVP, so it comes well packed. It is made of fox leather, and there is some metal and leather, so it is a mixture of these. It can hold up to 9 cards. This is an ID window, and you have some space here as well. You can put some card here, and you can put other cards here. And if you want to bring it out like this one, you can press this button and it brings it out. And once you're done, you close it. This is a button which is used for pairing. This is a speaker if you want to find it, and you have some space here as well if you want to put something here. And this is money clip, so you can, let's say you can put 20 bills with it, so you can hold something like here. And I think you can put some coins here. This is tight enough that it will hold coins like this. RFID blocking, so people can't scan your debit cards or credit cards to steal your data. Connects with Apple's Find My Network, and the pairing process itself is very simple. You press this button twice, then you press this button once, and then it shows up in your Find My app on your iOS device. You just select pair and give it a name, and you're good to go. After you have paid it, if you leave it behind, go to certain distance, you will get a notification that your wallet is not with you, so that you can quickly go back and pick it up. Or if you have gone further and you haven't been able to see the notification, then you can see its real-time location as well on the map, and you can come back and find it. One other neat thing about this wallet is that you can also share it with other people. So for example, if you go to add person, you can share it with other people, and if you are in the home, for example, in 100 feet radius, then you can actually find it using the Bluetooth connection, and with the speaker you can actually ring it and it will start ringing and you can easily find it. If you're worried about its battery life, don't worry about it because it has 5 years of battery life. So this covers all three wallets that I wanted to recommend to you: the conventional leather one, the fun cube minimalistic one, and the techie one, OS Kang Fine Wallet Plus. As a person who still carries documents and cash and coins with him, I would still go for this one personally because I still need a lot of space, to be honest. But for the people who don't carry documents and cash like I do, minimalism is what you're looking for, go for this one. But if you want a bit more space, bit premium materials, and get this one. No fear of losing it. With the AirTag tech built into it, you can easily find it wherever you are, even find it in your home by ringing it. So if you're looking for a tech with minimalism, go for this one. Just minimalism, this one, and conventional, this one. $25, $40, $60. Even if you don't like either of these, you can use this information to find the right fit for yourself. So let me know what you think of it, and if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and take great care of yourself. Bye.